Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a calibrated mic and a clean signal path. Plug the mic, set your audio interface to 48K HZ, 24-bit. This keeps timing precise. Once done, position the mic at the listening sweet spot, about 0 to 1, 2 meters high, and point it toward the ceiling or main speakers for consistent polar response. Make sure playback EQ is off, and reduce output to about -6 dBFS so your test sweeps won't clip. Now you generate and record sweeps. Choose either 1/3 octave or FFT analysis based on your goal. Start with a left speaker sweep, then right, and finish with a stereo sum. Record each separately so you can compare. Use smoothing in the 1/12 to 1/24 range to reveal room modes while preserving detail. Once sweeps are captured, check RT60 decay and modal peaks. This explains why you have bass bumps or dips, and export the measurements for correction steps. Finish by building a correction curve. Choose a target that's slightly warm or flat, then add low shelf and parametric filters to tame peaks. Apply the filters in your playback chain, run corrected sweeps, and compare the before and after graphs to validate improvements. Iterate once or twice until the response is smoother. If the correction makes things worse, check mic placement, speaker phase, or room treatments. Those physical factors often explain persistent problems and are the first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.